Ever wondered how people are making money selling t-shirts, candles, or even digital downloads without owning a physical store? The answer is Shopify, the platform powering over 1 million online businesses. From small side hustles to global brands, Shopify is changing the way the world sells online. But what exactly is Shopify, and how does it work? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. We're just getting started. Make sure to watch till the end and subscribe now. Shopify isn't just a website builder. It's your modern storefront. In the past, opening a store meant renting space, hiring staff, and stocking shelves. Today, you just need a product idea and a Wi-Fi connection. Shopify handles the heavy lifting, from showcasing the product to handling the payment to sending out the order, all automated. So whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling the world, your business runs 24/7. And here's where it gets exciting. With Shopify, you can even sell products without ever touching them. It's called dropshipping. You list products in your store. When someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. No storage, no packaging, no shipping stress. So whether you want to sell your own handmade candles or test trending gadgets through dropshipping, Shopify gives you the foundation to do both. So why do millions of people choose Shopify? Because it removes the hard stuff. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to code. And you don't need a big budget to get started. It's fast, flexible, and built for real people. Students, freelancers, moms, creators, anyone with an idea. Whether you're selling one product or 100, Shopify grows with you. Shopify is for creators, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and anyone who wants to turn an idea into income. Students selling merch, artists selling prints, coaches selling digital downloads. Whether you're starting with one product or building a full brand, Shopify gives you the tools to do it your way. It's not just for experts, it's for starters. Shopify makes starting an online business easier than ever. Whether you want to sell one product, build a full brand, or just explore a new income stream, this platform gives you the power to begin. So if you've been thinking about launching something of your own, now you know where to start. Drop a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a push to get started.